to Kolkata.
Yeah, most probably in the morning. I'll go by a bus. Anyway, so
Okay.
we are in recording, guys. We are record. I mean, we are.
Hmm.
The recording is started, and we are going for the part two of the workshops questions. In the first part, we did uh, till this question. We did.
Yes, yes.
No,
We
we
did do
have
that.
to. Yes, we have to do this question. I gave you this as a part of a homework, but
Yeah.
you guys haven't done it. Chalo, I'm giving you 2 minutes. The timer is on now. Okay. Just to build the pressure, time pressure, I'm doing this thing. Otherwise, guys, let me tell you one thing. Okay. Before we start, the fact of the matter is, whenever there is a timed based test that you are taking now, remember this thing. I have to put you guys onto mute. Now, listen to me carefully. Whenever you have a timer based test, it is not that you should not be looking at the timer. You can look at the timer and you can specify, but the point is that you have to internalize your practice in such a way that you know how much time you're taking for each question. The 2 minutes or the 1 minute or the 3 minutes should inherently be etched to your psyche. So subconsciously you should know when the timer is going off and when everything is starting. Unfortunately, in the actual CAT or in the mocks also, if you guys are started to take the mocks. Varun Gopal has taken many mocks. Varun, I'm telling you, you have taken couple of mocks now. I'll tell you one thing. It's never going to be 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute. Okay, it is always going to be a 30, 40 minutes timer. So the point that I'm trying to make is that internalize the timer as a part of your test taking, so that you don't end up in a bad situation. I'm again starting the timer, again giving you 2 minutes. Think about it. Think about the question. Okay, guys, time up. Any answers? Any response?
No, sir.
No, but that is not what I was looking for. I was looking for some responses. Okay. So first of all, understand in this question they have told what? They have told that there is a certain city that has a circular wall around it. Okay. And this city has this city and this wall has wall around it has 4 gates pointing north, south, east and west. Obviously conventional directions, this points towards north, this one is south, east and west, right? So there now the question says a house stand outside of the city 3 kilometers north of the north gate. 3 kilometers north of the north gate. What does that mean? That the city will be somewhere over there. Okay, hold on, but I am constantly facing the problem creating the arrowhead. Yeah, let's make it like this. This is the city, and the arrowhead will let's say point to the 3 kilometers out of that north gate, right? And it can be seen from a point 9 kilometer east of the south gate. What does that mean? Obviously, you have to understand that they're talking about the tangential this thing, no? And they have said that the house that is 3 kilometers towards the north of the north gate can just be seen from a point 9 kilometers east of the south gate. What is the diameter of the wall that surrounds the city? Okay, now what does this mean? That if there is an observer over here, hold on, if there is an observer over here, he is just able to observe this city. Okay, that means again tangential. Okay, I'll try to make it like this. This is 9 kilometers. This much distance, okay, from this position to this position is how much? 3 kilometers. Now, somebody saying that, sir, obviously you have picked up the question, so maybe you know the solutions, you may have seen the solution. No, 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 it's not like that only. Obviously, these are my questions. I know the solution, analysis, everything. But the major question is that you can never be sure of your diagram unless until you start making at least 2 3 diagrams. Scratch diagrams have to be made. Basically, you will have to put in the efforts to make these diagrams. Only then you will be able to make sense. Okay, and please understand, we are talking from the purview of geometry. We are not engineering candidates. We are not doing engineering theory over here. So if there is a circular city 9 kilometers towards the south end, 3 kilometers towards the north end, obviously they have to be tangential. Na? They have used the word can be just seen from a 9 kilometer point outside of the this gate. Okay, make sense?
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Now, if I just join this position, we know for a fact that this is 90 degree. And why this is 90 degree? If you, let's say, a tangent from the center, if you drop a, or let's say, if any line that is dropped onto the tangent from the center will be a perpendicular. This is a property of a circle. But so far, let's just understand this from the point of view that there is a circle, and onto one of the north gates, there is a 3 kilometers, like there's a figure over there that is 3 kilometers, and then there's a diameter. Okay, guys, at this point, the moment you draw this construction, na, immediately it should strike your mind that this is a 3 4 5 triangle. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, so this length could be 15, and this length, the entire length, 3 4s are 12. Okay, this entire length could be 12. Guys,
Yes.
3 4s are 3 3s are 3 5s are 15. Right angle triangle using the idea of triplets. Okay, 12. So if the entire length is 12, they have asked for the diameter. How much will be the diameter? Diameter will be 9 kilometers. Straight up, mark 9 kilometers, get out of the question. all these methods that I am teaching you, or basically I'm, showcasing to you, these are a little unorthodox method of solving the question. If you go by the traditional bookish way, it will take a lot of time or lot of preparation. You need 3-4 months of only geometry training. Okay, so you have to incorporate the unorthodox method of solving questions. And I'm telling you that 90% of the questions in the CAT will be solved through unorthodox method. What is this 30-60-90 triangle, 90-45-45 triangle? Use the trigonometry then. Don't use 90-30-60 or 90-45-45, 120-30-30. We make special triangles because we want to solve the questions fast using ratios and all that, right? Remember what they have said? They have said that the base is trisected. Okay, 2 minutes up. Any responses? At least tell me doable, solvable or not.
I would have left this question.
Actually, this is not the type of a question that can be left, or that should be left rather.
Okay.
This is actually one of those questions that you have to solve these type of questions. मतलब in an exam condition तो चलो ठीक है. If you say that you want to drop this type of questions, that is not very good thing. There is trisection happening. That means one part over there. Hold on. One part over here. Like I don't have to make it ekdam to scale. I don't need to make this to scale. But then again, I'm just doing it so that you guys are, anyways are asking for school methods and all. So I get a little confused. Like, what am I doing with you? Anyways, they said that the line through D, D and E में trisection है, and the line through D is parallel to AC, AB. So can I make some? Hold on, let me make it in a different color. You guys, anyways, will be able to visualize it properly. Okay, and this is parallel to AC. Yeah. Cool. What else?
They intersect at H.
Hold on. I'm making the construction. Okay. You practice, you try to solve it. H. They intersect at H. What is the ratio of the sum of the areas of the parallelogram AGHF, AGHF, and the area of the triangle DHE? What is the triangle DHE? DHE is this one. Okay. To the area of the triangle ABC. Area of the triangle ABC. Okay. Okay. Nice. See, I will have to make you guys visualize a lot in this, but at least one thing, now immediately that thing should come to your mind: basic proportionality theorem. Is basic proportionality theorem coming into your head? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Parallel lines.
Yeah.
Anytime we are talking about parallel lines, basic proportionality theorem has to come in. If you are, let's say, if you are little unaware of the fact that how we can make a line through C that is parallel to AB, Okay, make a line through B that is parallel to AC. I don't need actually this much kalakari. I'm just doing this to make you guys visualize this. Okay, and after this also, if you guys don't practice the sheet that I will give you now, then I will come to Kerala and personally I will smack you. From D, can I make a line parallel to AC? Of course. And actually, you know, I'll tell you what, in an exam condition, at least do something like this. Okay. Like you don't have to be MF Hussain or anyone like that. Just make the constructions visible, right? So a line that is, and then from this point, make a line that is parallel to AB. Okay. You have initially though you have to do all this kalakari. Only then you will be able to understand what I am saying. They have said trisected. Okay. They have said trisected. That means trisection ka matlab this part equals this part equals this part. Guys,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
basic proportionality theorem tells you what? Basic proportionality theorem tells you that between two parallel lines, which two? This parallel line and this parallel line, AB and the one that we created through C. If you have equal intercepts, so these will also be in the equal proportion.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, these will also be in the equal proportion.
Yeah.
Does this strike you of something? The figure strikes you of something.
Yes.
What?
The triangle has been divided to 6 equal
parts. How can it be 6 equal parts? No, but one thing that I am asking you to look towards is that at least try to visualize this as an equilateral triangle. Make your life easy. Imagine this is an equilateral triangle. You will say, sir, how is it an equilateral triangle? I said that everything is trisected. So if everything is trisected, might as well I'll take all the lengths to be equal. Only then, let's say all the lengths are, let's say 3 units. Then 1 unit, 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 1 unit. Make sense? Okay.
Yes.
Now, please pay attention. All the interim areas are not triangle. This is a diamond. Okay. This figure is a diamond. This is not a triangle. You may say, sir, there are 2 triangles, but I would, in that case, I would say in that case, just call it 1 diamond, 2 diamonds, 3 diamonds, and let's say half a diamond. Okay. Half a diamond. So the question now is that they have asked for the area. Since it is we have assumed this to be an equilateral triangle, right? We have assumed this to be an equilateral triangle. Area of the parallelogram AGHF to the area of the triangle DHE, okay, to the area of the triangle. So AG 1:3 plus DHE, hold on, Varun, is to ABC. This is what they have asked.
Yeah.
What is they're asking? Just 1 diamond, half a diamond. So 1 diamond plus half a diamond is to, what does this entire thing correspond to? Will you write 1, 2, 3? What do you write? 1,
3, 2, 3,
half,
3.5,
half.
4.5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. 4.5. This is 3.5. 3.5. Sorry, not 3.5. This is 1.5. Okay. 1.5. Matlab 3 by 2 is to 4.5. 15:45 ratio. 15 threes are. Decimals out. 1:3. This is the correct answer. Okay. Guys.
Yes, sir.
See this thing. I'm giving you 1 minute. Look at this thing. If you want to take a screenshot, take a screenshot. If you want to, let's say, I am telling you, this is not an easy question, by the way. This is one of the, I think this is actually an MCAT question. A very good question, by the way. Chalo, let's go to the next one. In a triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC, BE perpendicular to AC, which of the following is correct? Okay. See, nothing is given. No side lengths, nothing, no area perimeter, nothing. They've just said there's a triangle ABC. I don't know what that triangle is. Is it an equilateral triangle, right angle triangle? Is it a, let's say, scalene triangle? I have no idea. But I know AD perpendicular to BC, BE perpendicular to AC, which of the following is correct. So the best thing for a student to do is that assume it to be a equilateral triangle and proceed. See if it satisfies. Okay. So 2, 2, and this is the perpendicular. This is a perpendicular. Obviously, this will be 1 and 1. Can anybody quickly tell me the length of the perpendicular? Root over 3, na?
Yeah.
So this entire thing is root over 3. Hold on. And this B entire thing is root over 3. So far, so good. Now, check. CE into CB. What is CE?
C is
CA. CA is 2. CD is 1. So this is 2 into 1. CA into CD. 2 into 1. What is CB? CB is 1. So CE has to be 2 if it has to be correct. Let's see if CE is 2. This is a 90 degree. Hello?
yeah, yes.
This is 90. 90 ka opposite is 2. So 90 ka opposite is 2. This is obviously 60 degree. So 30 ka opposite will be 1 and 60 ka opposite will be root 3. 30, 60, 90 triangle. Equilateral triangle. Remember?
Yeah.
Equilateral triangle. So CE ka value comes out to be 1 only from the properties of an equilateral triangle. Okay? 1 into 1, which of the following is correct? This is not correct. Let's try again. CE. CE is 1. CA. CA 2. CD.
CD
1.
1,
And
CB
CB.
2.
This is correct.
Yes.
So is this a correct answer? Oh, wow, wow, wow. We have found. No, you have to check because this is something that we have assumed. Triangle we have assumed. And please remember these questions I have chosen for a very specific reason. So we have to check. Value of AD.
Root 3.
Root over 3.
Root 3 into 1.
What about AE?
AE is 1. AE
Is it? Hold on.
AE,
Is it 1 or 2? It has to
1.
be 1, na?
Yeah.
What is BE?
BE is
Root
root
over
3.
3. Oh my goodness. This is also correct. What does this tell you? Immediately, this figure does not work.
Okay.
Now you will see that I am wasting my time showing you a wrong figure. But this is important. Hello.
Yeah.
This is important. Varun, I'm talking to VTS now.
Yeah.
Varun, can you understand this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
One of the figures did not work. So what can we do now? An equilateral triangle failed. So what can we do?
We will look other kind of.
So any let's say any general figure that we know after an equilateral triangle, if it is a scalene triangle, obviously nothing can be predicted. So obviously the next best thing that you have is a right angle triangle, right? So you should always be using a, guys, I'm telling you, right angle triangles are your best friend. Okay. hold on. Let me make A over there. A, B, and C. Okay. Tell me. AD perpendicular to BC.
Yes.
Okay. Now see, I am going to do a very interesting move now. I'm not going to drop the perpendicular somewhere over there. What I will do is, it's a right angle triangle. I will make, I will think that this position is E. That means A and E coincides. Sir, can I do that? Sir, yes, we can do that. We can do that. The condition says that BE has to be perpendicular to AC. Are we violating the condition? No. As
No.
long as we are not violating the condition, we can do anything. Okay. AC perpendicular to AD perpendicular to BC. Let's write it like this. Okay. Now, what about the values? Guys, we can take a 1 root 2, na 90 45 45.
Yeah.
I can also take a 2 root over 2. Okay.
Hmm.
Why am I taking 2 root over 2? Because the equilateral triangle also we started with 2 thing. Nothing like, if you start with 1 root over 2, that's also fine. I don't mind. But I am using 2 root over 2. Now let's predict some cases. Acha, this is a 90 degree. What is the value of BD? Quickly, I will give you 5 seconds to answer. BD.
Half into root 2.
Yeah, that is only root 2. This is only root 2. Remember, circumradius.
Yeah.
Every time dropping a perpendicular will be the circumradius only, right? Okay. Now that we know the interim, let's now check. Do we know the value of CE? Yes, I know.
CE 2.
CB?
CB 2 root
2
2.
root 2. CA? 2.
AC 2.
CD?
Root 2.
So this is 4 root 2, this is root 2, not correct. We are finding for the correct one. Let's quickly do CE.
CE is 2.
CA? 2.
CE 2.
CD?
CD is root 2.
2.
CB?
2 root 2.
So this is again 4 root 2 into 4. Doesn't work.
What?
Does not work, no?
AD is root 2.
4.
AD is
Root 2.
hold on. This AD is also root 2. I forgot
Yeah.
to write this thing. BD.
BD is root 2.
Over 2. AE.
AE.
Oh, AE. This is 0.
0. AE 0. Okay.
If this is 0, this has to be 0.
0.
Okay. So
AB.
CA is 2. This is 2. AB is 2.
AB is 2.
AD is root over 2.
0.
And BE is 2. Okay. Now, why B is, where is it?
I mean,
Why
option
0?
B is correct, sir. I mean, root 2 into 2 root 2 4.
Yeah. This is 2 into 2 4. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm extremely sorry. This is correct because he pointed out a very fantastic thing that root 2 into 2 root 2 is correct, and this is obviously 2 root 2 and 4, so not correct. Okay, incorrect. Yeah, this B is correct. Well done, Varun. You're putting an eye also onto the calculations. Make sense?
Yeah.
Will you be able to solve a question like, obviously a question like this will not pop up in your actual CAT? Could be, again, because remember 40 minutes test, right? So maybe an easy question like this can also pop up. I could be 100% sure that this type of question will never land in a 60-minute CAT, because 34 question they have to design and all the 34 question have to be very good. But in a 40-minute test, could be a question like this, be dropped into your palette. Okay, guys, done? Shall we go to the next one?
Okay.
Chalo. Timer on. I have dropped in some easy questions also. I think this will take you like 20-30 seconds to answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, answer.
96.
I'll keep it.
Okay.
Waiting for VTS's response.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, which one, Varun?
1 minute, sir.
Okay, cool. You have 1 minute, exactly 1 minute.
Yeah. Same equation.
Varun,
Sir.
have you gotten the answer?
Yes, I mean, I did that in a kind of 6a by 2 plus 6b by 2 plus 6a by 2. Then again 6 into a plus b plus c 32, 6 into 32 by 2, 96.
Why would you do so many things? They have given the perimeter as 32. That means an in radius. Remember, there is a area of triangle in terms of in radius. Area of triangle is equals to semi perimeter into the in radius. Okay. I'll show you in one of the questions also how this thing is, like how you can, like obviously in the chapters in the chapter of circles, this is explained in much greater details, will be explained, but I'll show you an anecdote. But yeah, 96 is the answer, right? Perimeter given 32, semi perimeter 32 by 2, 16, in radius 6, area of the triangle S into R 16 into 6, 96. An easy one. Chalo, next one. The very first question, I'm not even turning on the timer. I have a question for all of you, both of you. What does 8, 15, 17 clicks you?
Triplet.
How?
15 square plus 225 plus 64.
That are all good thing, but you know, you're fundamentally missing the point that I have told you. Like,
Okay. Yeah.
what you have done is absolutely correct. 8 square, 15 square. But what I'm saying is that square 8 becomes a 64.
64.
Divide
by
this
4.
by 4.
Okay.
Becomes a 16. Okay, one number below,
one number above. 15, 17.
15, 17. Okay. 8, 15, 17. The triplet pair.
Triplet.
Now that if it is a right angle triangle, my life becomes much more easier, na? How? Because area will be half base height.
Half base into height.
Base can be 8 into whatever you take, 8 into 15. Because obviously 17 is the hypotenuse. It cannot be included, right? Half into base into height.
60.
Whatever this is has to be equal to what? The
semi-perimeter. Radius into semi-perimeter.
Yeah. So R into semi-perimeter.
8 plus 15 plus 17 by 2.
60 is equals to, this implies that 60 is equals to, how much is this going to be? 15, 15, 30, 32, 32 plus 8, 40. That is 20. Semi-perimeter is 20, 20, 20, 20. Divide by 20, in radius becomes 3.
3.
This was again one of those sitter questions. Okay. These type of questions, if you leave now, and if I see any one of you leaving any question like this in your mock test, again, I will not go to, you know, my any other holiday destination. I will personally come to Andhra Pradesh.
Come to here. We'll learn in person. I can accommodate you at home for learning.
I can guarantee you we will not be learning. That much I can guarantee
It's
you.
okay. I can accommodate you at home. Okay, I have an extra room here. I can clean it up and give you. And it
I
has an AC
I
as well.
seriously doubted that you will accommodate me. I seriously doubt that. But yeah.
Yeah,
Chalo, next question. Yeah.
I can give fantastic machli as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Much.
Okay. In a triangle in center, this is what is the value of QIR.
Triangle PQR. Okay. So,
Okay, I haven't started the timer. Now the timer is on.
yes, got it. Option D.
Okay, I'll keep it.
Yeah.
This, is a very easy question, huh?
Yeah,
This
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 it
this
is.
turned out very easy. Like I was not expecting this to be that easy. This is 125 if I'm not mistaken with the calculation.
It's 125 only.
Yeah. Varun,
Yes, sir.
answer?
Same, sir. I mean,
Okay, nice. We'll not waste time. We'll go to the next one. Let's see if you guys are able to solve this under 2 minutes. Okay. Timer on. I will be back. Okay. Okay, I'm back.
Yeah.
Timer is still running, so I'm not going to say anything.
Option C.
I'll keep it.
Okay.
Guys, time's up. Varun?
No, sir. I mean, I just draw the diagram. I am scribbling.
Okay, okay. You can solve it or not?
I'm trying to on.
Okay, I am gonna give you that 1 minute. I think this construction should give you some idea.
So,
Sir, in that Unacademy PDF that you have shared.
Please don't take names. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
sorry,
in the
sorry. Yeah,
PDF. In the
yeah, in
PDF.
the PDF, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
There was there was a kind of a there was a kind of a method for this. Like in center is equal to 90 plus.
Yeah, I have also taught you this. You were not
Yes,
present
yes,
that
yes,
day.
yes. Yeah.
Yeah, you can use that. You can use
Okay.
that. Basically 90 plus half angle vertex
Half angle
angle.
vortex.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. Half of 90 plus half of the
For
vertex angle.
110, 110.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can use a direct formula, but then let's say that you forgot the formula. Then what you can do, x plus y plus 110 is equal to 180. That means x plus y is 180 minus 110. I'm writing it directly 70. Okay. X plus y is 70. Remember that. Now, in this triangle, OQR,
Yeah.
you will have all the sum of all the angles will be equal to 180. Okay. So if I am finding this angle, QOR, let's say angle QOR, that can be found out as 180 minus
Half
obviously the
into
sum of these two angles,
35.
x by 2 minus y by 2. You know x plus y is 70, so half of them obviously will be 35.
35. Yeah.
So this can be written as 145, right?
Yeah.
So even if I am forgetting the formulas, I can do this. Okay.
okay.
Now for Varun Gopal specifically, if you want to solve it with the formula, how will you solve it with the formula? Let's say I'm doing it over there. Okay. So the formula directly gives you the angle QOR will be equal to 90 plus half the vertical angle P, which is angle QPR. Now QOR, I have no idea. This is going to be 90 plus 55. Okay.
145.
Half of 110
Yeah.
gives me 145. So whichever method, answer still remains the same, 145. This was a very easy question, by the way.
Yeah.
Chalo, let's go to the next one. And the timer starts now. I think by this time you should have given me the answer. Using the formula, so it becomes like a cakewalk. But if you have forgotten the formula, we can do something. I will showcase that part. Both of you, have you gotten the answer?
1 minute.
Okay. Using the formula or like not
No, sir,
using the formula?
not using phone.
Okay, okay, fine. Then you can take 1 more minute.
Angle D. Sorry, option D.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You should start doing stand-up comedy.
Yeah. I am very notorious for my funny wits and timed comedies.
Yeah, yeah.
Should spend some time with me at some point of time.
You will not like my humor. Mine is a little too dark.
Okay. Mine is lighthearted, like
Yeah. What?
no personal
Where is the fun
reference.
in
No.
that? Where is the fun in that?
You know what? It's I people might take that another way, and that would ruin their day. I don't want that. I'm sorry.
Who cares?
I do care. Like I
Okay, okay, chalo hatao. Guys,
Oh,
answer. Varun, VTS will give me the answer now.
no, sir, I'm not getting it.
Acha, dekho. I'm gonna solve it through the traditional way because obviously 90 plus half the vertical angle ke formula se to you can solve it. So the unorthodox way would be again, you know that this is 124. Okay, the same idea that I'm doing x by 2, x by 2. Okay, sorry, why did I write x by 2? This is y by 2, y by 2. Okay, so you know that sum of all the three angle in the small triangle will be 180 degrees. So x by 2 plus y by 2 will be equal to 180 minus 124. Correct? That is 56. 180 minus 124. That is 56. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So if I take half common, x plus y will become 112. If I take half common, send it to this side, RHS, x plus y becomes, this is complete angle x, this is complete angle y, sum of it is 112. Now they are asking for this angle. So subtract 180 minus 112. This is 68. Okay?
Okay.
Or else if you want to use the formula, the in-center formula, you can use the in-center formula also. Just a second, I'm just reducing the flux a little bit. Yeah. Also, now this also is seemingly an easy one, that area of an equilateral triangle with the height of the triangle is 24 centimeters. Okay, they have given you the height. And this is an equilateral triangle. Two minutes, only 2 minutes. See, the thing is, 60 ke opposite is always root 3, 90 ke opposite is 2, 30 ke opposite is 1. Now, if root over 3 corresponds to 24, 1 shall corresponds to 24, and this line, the hypotenuse, 2 shall corresponds to 24 by root over 3 into 2. Okay. So basically, this entire segment, the length of the segment will be 2 into 24 upon root 3. Or you can also write 2 by root 3 into 24. 2 by root 3 into 24. Okay. And you know that 1 shall corresponds to 24 by root over 3. So this is going to be, this length is going to be 24 by root 3. Okay. Half into base into height, you do, you will get the answer. The area of an equilateral triangle is also given as root 3 by 4 into the side square. Okay. This is also a standalone equilateral triangle ka area. Okay. So either you can use half base height, that will give you the answer, or it will also, you can also use the formula, the standalone formula. So let's use that. So this is going to be what? 48 square by 3. Okay. This is correct, na? Seems correct. Now, this is 48 into 48. So this will cut this by 12 and this will cut this by 4. And this will cut, hold on, no, this is going to stay there. So 4 into 48, that is 192 root over 3. 192 root over 3, this is the answer. Okay. Use this formula or use half base height, whichever is available to you. I am more interested in knowing that if you are able to do this thing quickly. So you know that height is 24. That means root over 3 corresponds to 24. 1 should correspond to 23 by root over 3. 2 shall correspond to 24 by root over 3 into 2, or whatever, 48 by root 3, whichever is easier for you. Let's go to the next one. Hello, 2 minutes. Both of you will give me an answer. Okay, because the triangle is given. In an equilateral triangle, AD perpendicular to BC, then which of the following will be true? Okay, guys, time up. Responses?
I mean, D.
D for donkey.
Yeah. Or 1 minute, I will finish it and I'll say. Yeah, sir, B only.
B. B for
Yeah.
banana.
D, donkey, donkey.
Acha, D for
D,
donkey.
D, D.
D for donkey. Chalo, let's see what. If you have realized all the options are in the ABAD format, so it is always a good idea just write the values of AD square, that is 3, and AB square, that is 4. Now, by the very sense of it, you should realize 4 is not equal to 3. So how can I make them equal? Multiply a 4 over there, multiply a 3 over there. That means the one that has a 3 and a 4 element, that has to be my correct answer.
Hello,
Hmm.
hello, sir.
Hmm.
I since that's equilateral triangle, I have six
Hmm.
six six.
Take 666. Wow.
3 6.
Wow. You are like beyond, you're taking numbers beyond logic.
636. I thought okay, fine. 5 25 plus
Why
9.
why do we take 2 2 2? Because we have the steady references with us. Now 1 root 3 2.
Okay, okay. Well, I
But
okay.
whichever you do, your answer invariably will be this only. C has to be the
Okay.
answer. Tell me, which is your answer?
I got a calculation mistake, to be frank.
Chalo, we'll go to the next one then.
Okay, fine, fine.
You have the answer over
Yes.
there. Let's go to the next one. Chalo, 2 minutes. I'm giving you the time. Question says find the maximum possible area of a triangle that can be formed with a thread of length 36 unit. Now, understand one thing for these type of questions. Whenever they say maximum possible area, okay, a maximum possible area will only happen when you have a regular figure. So in case of a four-sided polygon, it will be a square. Three-sided polygon will be an equilateral triangle. Okay, five-sided will be a regular pentagon, and then six-sided would be a hexagon, and so on and so forth. Hexagon in any case is a regular figure, so hexagon is anyways regular. Having said that, this is talking of a triangle with maximal possible area. Now you have understood this is a equilateral triangle.
Yes.
Also, perimeter is given 36. Now 666 is there.
24.
Oh, sorry, that's a 36.
36.
Yeah, sorry. This is a 12, 12, 12.
12, 12.
My error, my mistake. Okay, that's why I thought. So, okay, silly
36
error.
to 3.
Yeah, chalo. Let's go to the next one. This was a very easy question. You can do, guys, you can do this question in 1 minute. Okay, I'm only giving you 1 minute for this one. Both of you, read this. In radius of an equilateral triangle is of length 3, then the length of each of its median is. Sorry. They are talking about the in radius. No,
Radius.
I made a very, you know, very blunder. This, obviously, this is the circumradius. This is the in radius, which is 3. So this has to be 6. So median is of what length? 9.
9.
Guys,
Yeah.
Okay.
fine, na? Varun,
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
you're not saying it forcefully, na?
No, no, no.
Okay.
Sir, I'll go and take a leak.
Okay. Go. Varun, you can try the question.
Okay.
Sir, I'm back.
Mm-hmm. Try this question. Oh, I have not started the timer. Anyways, like this is the last question, guys.
Sir, one doubt
Mm,
regarding the handout.
mm,
That is the one you have already shared, isn't it? Triangles.
mm,
You have already shared the triangle handout, isn't it?
mm.
Okay, fine.
At this point, I don't know what all I have shared with you. I think I
I
have
have
shared.
shared one UC and one uh, this
We
one.
can
This one.
take names. Like, come on, they're not going to sue me or anything.
Okay.
Like, whatever we are using from the public domain, right?
Yeah.
In any case, uh,
We have used one academy and one question paper.
I would say An Academy is done and dusted. Don't use it. Use
Okay.
the time handouts that I will give you.
Time hand. You will give me, right?
I
Elect
think I have
text.
uploaded also. I think I have uploaded.
No, you have only uploaded CAD text docs, CAT mock only.
Okay, in that case, I'll see to it. Okay.
And there is a triangle practice question PDF.
Practice question is only, I think, the one.
Okay, that is
Yeah,
that you
that
have
is
shared.
the handout. That
Absolute.
are the handouts. Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
look into it. Don't worry. Why are you like bothered about it during the class?
Okay,
I'll
okay,
send
okay,
it.
fine.
Don't
Okay,
worry.
so
If I haven't already, I'll do it. If I have, then I'll just tag
okay,
you into it.
all right.
This is an equilateral triangle, so be careful. This is 930, and obviously this is 90. So this obviously will be 60. Okay.
X4.
Sorry. So what are they asking? They are asking for the value of what is the value of 2 into bx into by, bx into by. All right, guys, quickly tell me one thing. This is x, mind you. Okay. Obviously, angle AXY is 90 degree. Hello.
Yeah.
That much is 100% sure, no? Now, give me the answer and then I will start discussing. How will you calculate XY? Tell me. And the moment I give you the idea, everything will become picture perfect. But you have to tell me, you will have to help me.
Uh, join.
What is BY?
By is the diameter. So
Hot God.
Bay is 90 degree
If this BY is the,
diameter.
if this BY is the diameter,
Oh,
okay,
Bay would be 90
Varun,
degree.
let me,
Okay,
okay,
okay, fine. Sorry,
allow
sorry.
me. If BY is the diameter, then the diameter can only subtend a 90 degree at any part of the remaining circle.
Yeah.
Okay. Diameter always subtends a 90 degree at the remaining part of the circle. Okay. That means this is 30 degree and this invariably will become 60. Now, in the small triangle, hold on. In this small triangle, you already know the value that is opposite to 60 degree, and opposite to 60 is root over 3. Root over 3 corresponds to 4.
Yeah.
So 1 will correspond to root over 4 by root over 3. So that means 30 ke opposite will be
4 by root 3.
and 90 ke opposite will be.
8 by root 3.
I hope that things now
Yes.
make sense now.
Mm.
They have said, and this is an equilateral triangle. If this is 4, this part will also be 4. We
Yes.
don't need that. I think we need only by. By is 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3.
8 root 3.
By is, I just, I'm just making sense. If I'm just making sure that I'm not making any calculation error. Okay. So at this time, this is 4 root 3. Okay, chalo. That is 2 into bx into by. 2 into what is bx? Bx is 4 root 3. And by is 4 root 3 plus I have a little bit of a confusion. Is this going to be still 403? Think about it. This 60 ka opposite is. Oh,
So
sorry.
it's
No, no.
4 by root
We
3.
made. Yeah.
4
We
by
made
root
it.
3. 4 by root 3.
You guys are not. When I start looking at the question, you guys will then tell me, "Ocha, this is what
Yeah.
the error was." Okay. So this is 4 only.
Hmm.
Okay. This is 4 only. Now 60 ke opposite is 1. So 1 corresponds to 4. Okay. So obviously 90 ke opposite will be, this will become how much? This is going to be 8 only. And 30 ke opposite will be
Sir.
4 root 3. But still we are getting
No,
4
no,
root
no, no. It's a mistake. Like, let me say,
3.
if 60 ka opposite angle 4, right? I mean, say that length is 4. So 30 ka opposite 4 by root 3, and AY has to be 8 by root 3.
Mm-hmm.
So 4 root 3 plus 4 by root 3 has to be the total length.
Mm-hmm. You know, sometimes even I am making. देखो. So this is root over 3. Okay, I make the silliest of the errors, and this is 2. Okay, so root over 3 corresponds to 4. 1 will correspond to 4 over root 3. So, and 2 will corresponds to 8 over root 3.
Yeah.
This is exactly what we did. Then why
4 root. Yeah, right.
everything is perfect? In this triangle, this is 8. This is 8 root 3. 30 ke opposite is 8 root 3, and this, if this is 90 ke opposite, will be whatever is.
16.
Just shut up. Just don't keep talking. If you're doing any calculations, do the calculation, but
Yeah.
don't keep on talking. This has to be 16. The entire length has to be 16. Okay. I made a very silly error. Okay. And this error is basically going to haunt me for the rest of my life. Actually, just pay attention to a very, we should be paying attention to a very different triangle. Okay. This is the triangle that now we have to pay attention. Hold on. Pay attention to this triangle, this right angle triangle. Okay. This is when you can make silly mistakes. Okay. So in the highlighted area, you can see this is 60. Okay, hold on. This is 60 degree. This entire is 90 degree, and this is 30 degree. Now you see 60 ka opposite, that is corresponding to 1. Okay. Now, okay, I'm explaining this again. In this triangle now, in this triangle, we are looking at the highlighted area, that is ABY triangle. That is a right angle triangle. Why? Because BY is the diameter. Diameter always subtend a 90 degree at the other segment. Okay. Now, since this triangle is a 90, 30, 60, 90 triangle, and we know this is 8 given in the question. Now, 60 ke opposite will always be root over 3. 30 ke opposite will be 1. And 90 ke opposite, yani ki this entire by will be 2. If I am allowed to explain this further, this is going to be 2x, this is going to be x, and this is going to be root over 3x. Okay, let's not make any errors. AB, AY, and BY, all of these lengths. Now, root over 3 corresponds to, root over 3 corresponds to 8. 1 will corresponds to 8 by root over 3. 2 will corresponds to, this is the length, by, that hypotenuse will be 16 by root over 3. Okay, now this is 16 by root over 3. So obviously root over 3 cancel. 8 into 16, which is 80 and 42. 100 and, oh, sorry, 80, 48. 128.
Yeah.
why? Dekho, the problem that crept in, we looked at this small triangle. Okay, this small triangle, albeit this is a, but can I predict this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle? If this is 60, this is a 30. Okay, if this is a 30, if this is a 30, everything needs to be fair and square. So why am I not? Uh, this is opposite to 60, and opposite to 60 is root over 3. Root over 3 corresponds to 4. So 1 will correspond to root over, sorry, 4 upon root over 3. 2 will correspond to 8 by root over 3. This length is coming out as 4 by root 3. So if I just add this thing, by is like, why am I not getting the by of x? Like with this with this triangle also, I should get the same lengths. Okay, I would say that, we let's do this once again. The answer is 128 only. Okay, 128 is correct. Now I need to see where am I making the mistakes. Hold on. Now I'll make the diagram like this only. So there is a equilateral triangle. Color is not good. ABC. Okay. They say that cuts at X and cuts at Y. This is a 90 degree, and they have given AB as 8 units. And what else we know? We know that this is the bisector, so 30 and 60, right? If I join this two, this is a 90, and I have no idea, but I know that AY is the diameter, so this is 90 degree, which makes this length to be 30, and if this is 30, this invariably becomes a 60 degree. That's all fine. If this is 8,
Sir, if I'm allowed, I got the answer using this. You are currently what you're doing.
just 1 second. Yeah, I don't.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
1 second. In triangle ABC, we have. I'm redoing it just so that
Alright.
I'll be able to exactly pinpoint. Why am I getting an echo? Two parts correspond to 8, one part will correspond to 4, and this will correspond to 4 root 3. This much is 4 root 3. Seems absolutely fine. Then why the mistake? Bx into by. Okay. And like 60, the opposite is 4. Like I'm suddenly this is 4 root 3.
Sir, can I have a word, please?
Just give me 1 second. Like I want to know like why the
Okay.
ratios all seem perfect. The ratios all seem perfect. Then why is the smaller triangle not giving me the one that is sitting opposite to 60 is 4. That means root 30. Okay, opposite will be root over 3 corresponds to 4. So 1 will be 4 by root 3.
Yes.
And 2 will be 8 by root 3. Okay, so this is 8 by root 3. 30 ka opposite will be 4 by root 3.
Yes.
This is 4 root 3, na? Yeah.
Yep.
4 root 3 plus 4 by root 3.
Three.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So yeah.
into 4
Yeah,
root 3.
we basically, I understood the error was that I was also mistakenly, error of judgment was that I was taking this also as 4
4 root 3.
root 3, is 4 by root 3. So this becomes a 12 plus 4 by root 3, 4 by root 3. Oh, sorry, not 12 by 4 plus 12 plus 4 by root 3, 16 by root over 3. Okay, so yeah, this was a decent question. 16 by root 3 is the total by, and obviously this, now it's solved, right? Chalo, with this we are done with the session. No more questions.